Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I am showing you all how to make some double chocolate chip cookies. First, place half a cup of melted unsalted butter in a bowl of a stand mixer. Then add half a cup of brown sugar and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar and mix on low speed using the paddle attachment until smooth. Then add in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix on medium speed until combined. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Now add in half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and continue to mix. While still mixing, you're going to slowly add in 1½ cups of flour, and you're going to mix until the batter is smooth and comes together. Then you're going to slowly add in 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. This dough does require chilling, so place in your refrigerator and let chill for about an hour. After the dough has chilled for about an hour, now it's time to bake. You're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please give it a big thumbs up. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! Shh, they can't hear you talking. Okay. If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. Oh, and if you guys are chocolate lovers like me, definitely try this recipe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!